Did you know there's a secret character that I have? But I don't know if you guys have. So let me know in the comments if you haven't. I've been avoiding this all day, and looks like it's called microwave. And I wonder what will happen. I wonder what will happen if I can't even move. Can't even move. Fire. Can't even move with it. Oh my god. How? It's a literal microwave. Okay, I get why it's called a microwave. Oh my god. Oh god. My ears. Oh god. Anyways, this is outro.